Are you ready to go to bed?
Hummies.
Oh, you're gonna clean Hemmy's bed?
Yeah.
I see. Haley, what's your name?
Tootsie.
That's my name, Christy.
That.
Jeff? That's
Yeah.
Daddy's name. What's your name?
Haley.
Haley. What's your last name?
Heifer.
Schaefer. That's right. Oh, you're such a good cleaner. Can you come do this side?
Yeah.
Do you want to say your alphabet?
Yeah.
A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
Bye.
C,
E.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G. Can you say G?
D.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
D.
K.
K.
Where'd you go? L,
L.
M,
M.
N,
N.
O,
P.
P. That's right. Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V. Bye.
W. Can you say W? That one's a hard one. How about X? Y,
Y.
Z. So busy. Okay, thanks for saying that.